Shut up and sit down.
What is up, guys? Frank Macaluso here from Garageholic. Welcome to another installment of what's now going to be the E30 S62 Life After People. That's right, it's my own barn find. This car I bought 8 years ago, put an S62 in it, made a write-up about it on my website, selling them, making money to do more swaps for you guys. This here is my Bronzit 1989 325 IS converted to S62, and it is old, it is decrepit, and I'm going to be updating it. I'm going to be getting it back up to snuff, getting this thing on the road again. New tires, buff and cut the paint. We're going to do a lot of technical stuff too with this thing because things fail over time, and we need to figure that out and get all that addressed. There's fuses that have blown for no freaking reason. We got to fix all this stuff, and we're going to do it in 10 videos coming up. Stay tuned. Now that you got a little bit of the tour, let's take a look at this thing. Let's put the battery in. Let's get it powered up. Let's check the oil, check the coolant. Let's just make sure we have all the stuff that we really kind of need to get this thing started. It hasn't started in over a year and a half. Let's just see if we can get this thing going, how rough of a ride it's going to be, and what kind of things we're going to uncover upon this first start. Need new tires, that's for damn sure. I got two 45/40s in the rear and two 25/45s up front. Got some new tires. Cooper Xeon RS3S. These were kind of budget. I mean, these are about $400 or $500 for the pair. But I like them. I mean, they look sporty. They're basically all a high performance, but mostly they can be driven anywhere, which is nice. Let's open this puppy up, see what we got in here. All right, more dirt. Battery needs to be installed. Some trim that needs to be put on. Definitely needs to be cleaned up pretty good. Not much to do in the back. Nice toolbox. No water damage. Just need to polish up those tools a little bit. Alright, so this is a 2001 E39 M5 S62 5-liter engine, naturally aspirated with an Alpha N tune. Everything works. AC was retrofitted to R134A, but it did lose a charge, so I do need to charge it up, and I need to upgrade to a parallel condenser in the front, so that's going to be part of this video series as well. So everything looks good in this engine. Everything is checked out, oil, coolant. We're going to give it a quick first start in a minute. Yeah, let's stop wasting time. Let's just get it started, huh? Smoking coming from the engine. It's probably because I have a power steering leak that I found out about, and it's gotten on the exhaust headers. Alright, so let's figure out what doesn't work in here. Tack doesn't work. the speedometer sensor works or not. The fuel gauge doesn't work. Lights work. That one doesn't work. That works. Lights work. I turn the headlights on, but I don't see any headlights. Radio needs to get the code updated or added. Fan doesn't work anymore. Fix that. Glove box latch works. Yeah, engine works. That's important. And looks like we got a lot of lights here. A lot of lights. Low beam, washer fluid, license plate lights, coolant. We gotta address all that. Let's try windows. Looks good. Oh, here we go. Looks good. What was that? Moonroof works. Power steering works. Got a couple fuses out, so we have to fix that. We got one here, one there. Most of the lights work. Need to replace the fog light. Need to align the headlights. That paint job, huh? And last, we have an AC Schnitzer Heckflügel rear spoiler. It mounts atop the IS lip stock E30 spoiler. And it goes right on top just like this. It actually fits kind of snug. Kind of hit it, doesn't really go anywhere. But this guy will end up getting bodyworked and painted. We're going to do that too. We're also going to do the front valence because the front valence is in pretty bad shape, so we're going to paint that as well. And what else did I have? I guess that's it. We're looking at like a 10 video series here, guys. 10 videos covering how to get this from this that you see here, this pile of junk, to actually a good looking E30 like it used to be back in its heyday. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you like the content of the video, if you like what you're about to see with this, if you like the E36 N54 swap that I did, please like, subscribe, comment, tag your friends. Let them know about what I'm doing because I got a lot of projects coming up this year and next. I don't want to give away the farm too much about what I'm doing, but I do have another customer coming in about a month, and he's going to have a really cool E30 that he wants a pretty cool engine put in. You guys are probably familiar with the engine, but I don't want to spoil it for you. But for now, guys, we're going to be working on this E30. We're going to be doing a 10 video series to get this S62 back up to snuff, everything working, and you're going to see how I do it coming up.